Welcome to Moodgaze. Dive into personalized meditation with just a few clicks. Step 1. Start your journey by selecting Create Your Meditation on our homepage. Step 2. Select Basic for ease or Advanced for deeper customization. Step 3. Share your goals and challenges. The more details you provide, the more personalized your meditation becomes. Step 4. Choose your guide. Each narrator brings a unique energy and approach. Step 5. Decide your meditation style: mindfulness for presence, visualization for discovery, or affirmation for empowerment. Step 6. Set your session's duration and select background music to match your mood. Step 7. Click Finalize and soon receive your uniquely crafted meditation directly in your inbox. The time it takes to build your custom meditation varies, but the wait is well worth it. Step 8. Access your meditation anytime under My Moodgaze Meditations. Let's explore some examples.
A higher salary aligns with your worth and contribution. Your determination and talent guides you to new heights. Tatiana sees and acknowledges your effort and expertise.
Pro tips. Tip 1. Enhance personalization. Deepen your meditation experience by including names, specific goals, or significant life events. Tip 2. Explore styles. Delve into various meditation styles. Each offers a unique journey. Tip 3. Focus with affirmations. Sharpen your focus and manifest your intentions. Use our custom affirmations to maintain a clear vision of your goals, enhancing both meditation depth and real-world application. Tip 4. Beyond relaxation. Moodgaze is more than a meditation platform. It's a tool for transformation. Try using our affirmation style to enhance performance, achieve specific life goals, and level up in personal or professional areas. Think of it as your personal life coach. Discover the unique power of personalized meditation with Moodgaze, where your meditation is as unique as your story. Moodgaze, elevate your vibes.